Welcome to the step-by-step guide to Absa Bank email support. This tutorial will walk you through the process of contacting Absa Bank via email for assistance with your banking needs. First, ensure you have a valid email address and access to the internet. Then, open your email client and compose a new email. The email address for Absa Bank email support is available on their official website. In the subject line, clearly state the purpose of your email, such as account inquiry or transaction dispute. This will help the support team to quickly identify the nature of your query and respond accordingly. In the body of the email, provide your account details, including your account number and name, as well as a detailed description of your query or concern. Be sure to include any relevant reference numbers or dates. It is essential to include your contact information, such as your email address and phone number, so that the support team can get back to you. Before sending the email, review it for spelling and grammar errors, and ensure that all the necessary information is included. Once you are satisfied with the content of the email, click the Send button to submit your query to the Absa Bank email support team. You can expect a response within a few hours or the next business day, depending on the volume of emails received. It is also important to note that Absa Bank has a secure email system in place to protect your sensitive information. However, as a precautionary measure, avoid sending confidential information such as your PIN or password via email. In addition to email support, Absa Bank also offers other channels of communication, including phone and online chat. You can choose the method that is most convenient for you. By following these steps, you can easily contact Absa Bank via email and get the assistance you need with your banking needs. Remember to always keep your account information and personal details secure when communicating with the bank. In conclusion, the Absa Bank email support is a convenient and efficient way to get help with your banking queries. By providing clear and concise information, you can get a prompt response from the support team and resolve your issues quickly.